Hello, my name's David Buckle. I've been part of the Findhorn Foundation for over a decade, and here's a few words during these challenging times. Now the green blade riseth from the buried grain, wheat that in the dark earth many days hath lain. Love lives again that with the dead has been. Love is come again like wheat that springeth green. It's a hymn by John Crumb. I believe at this time an open heart chakra is our greatest immunity. I can know this with every fibre of my being, but be like the spoon that doesn't taste the soup. It can take a lifetime to embody love and live by its truth. To love, to trust, and to have an open heart is very easy to say, but to live and be love and be trust means to turn things on their heads. It requires an openness to life, to be less defended and closed and drop my walls and be truly naked, which is terrifying to be that vulnerable. Yet it has a gift. It means that openness is our protection, which is kind of paradoxical. An open system of loving invites connection, interdependence, and a win-win, where safety comes from my ability to grow. The alternative is being closed and defended in fear. Fear creates stress, which in turn leads to impaired immunity. So yes, my mind can know these things, but it doesn't mean that it's willing to let go and surrender to them. It requires an openness to meet my pain and these unsettling feelings, and a knowing that I will not be destroyed by them. It is said that the longest journey is from our heads to our hearts. So I am the spoon looking at the soup and thinking I need a leap of faith, some grace to jump this chasm, having the trust to be caught by the divine. What a great and deeply disturbing journey towards home this is. Rumi sums this up so well. How did the rose ever open its heart and give to this world all its beauty? It felt the encouragement of light against its being. Otherwise, we all remain too frightened. Keep well. Keep in your heart. Breathe in your heart. Let love calm your fears. Thank you.